Umkhandlu wamabandla kwaZulu Natal sewexwayisa abaholi bamabandla kulesifundazwe ngokuthi bangayishayi indiva imgomo yenhlanzeko ebekwe uhulumeni ngaphansi kwesigaba sesithathu se-lockdown. Lokhu kwenzeka njengoba onke amabandla esevumelekile ukuthi evule ukusukela namhlanje.
Amasonto asegunyaziwe ukuthi asengaqala enze inkonzo. Lokhu kumele kwenziwe ukulandela imigomo enqala. Isimemezelo sikamongameli ngeledlule sokuthi inkonzo seyingaqhubeka sicithiwe ngabanye abaholi bamamandla abanqume ukuqhubeka nokukhonzela emakhaya. AbeKwaZulu Natal Christian Council okuyinhlangano emela amasonto angaphezulu kwa-250 esifundazweni banxuse abamasonto ukuthi baqaphe ngeso lokhozi.
According to the medical people, the crisis hasn't hit us yet. And the figures are still going up. I mean, over the last 2 days, the number jumped from 500 and something dead to 600 and something dead. 100, that's the biggest we've had in KwaZulu Natal.
UNEPIA uthi iCouncil isebenzisana nohulumeni wesifundazwe ihlele ukuqeqesha abefundisi bamabandla ngeindlela ezihlukene zokugcina amasonto ehlanzekile.
Every priest and every leader in the parish needs to have gone through that training, that workshop that the MEC has offered us. So they understand clearly what is involved and what they need to do and how they must do it. And only then will we be able to say, okay, let's open our churches.
ICouncil ithi ihambisana nesiphakamiso sokuthi kube nesikhwama sokulekelela amasonto akhahlamezekile ngokuyimali. Bongani Gema indaba ze SABC eThekwini.